South Sudan's President Salva Kiir has ordered the revocation of the appointment of Riek Tang as a member of the Transitional National Legislative Assembly TNLA. Tang, a native of Nasser and the leader of the Sudan People's Liberation Movement in Opposition, SPLMIO, acting chairperson of the National Committee on Foreign Relations, was unexpectedly removed from his position. The announcement on the state-owned South Sudan Broadcasting Corporation, SSBC, gave no specific reason for Kiir's decision to remove Tang. However, Tang has consistently voiced his concerns about the ongoing conflict and the attacks on civilians in the Upper Nile region. In reaction to the change, Tang released a statement in which he said he was unable to provide any comments on the issue of his removal. The state-owned SSBC, however, did not provide an immediate explanation for Kiir's actions. Our source could not confirm the information about the revocation of Tang's appointment. However, it is worth noting that the SPLMIO, which was once a part of the ruling unity government, has for years been vocal about the ongoing conflict in the region. Tang has been extremely outspoken about the many challenges faced by the citizens of Upper Nile State. It is not clear whether Mr. Tang's removal is entirely due to political rivalry or if there have been any significant violations of government regulations during his tenure. In other decrees concerning Western Bahr el Ghazal State, Kiir replaced the SPLM State Advisor on Legal Affairs, Teresa Enuat Udding, with Elizabeth Mario Masuma. Kiir also sacked several ministers, including Arcangelo Enyer of Cabinet Affairs, Rudolph Andrea Ujeka of Parliamentary and Legal Affairs, Ibrahim Sur Ibrahim of Cooperative and Rural Development, Elizabeth Mario Masuma of Gender, Child, and Social Welfare, and Juma Abdallah Jur of Housing and Public Utilities, other political parties. The President also appointed new ministers, including Rudolph Andrea Ujika for Cabinet Affairs, Enyer Dor for Parliamentary Affairs, Mario Naibango John for Cooperative and Rural Development, Mary Carolino Maddet for Gender, Child, and Social Welfare, and Peter Deng Matthew Aker for Housing and Public Utilities, OPP. In several other instances, Kiir replaced county commissioners in several states with new individuals. James Ernest Makiwi of Jur River and George, Peter Wanjo of Wa, were replaced with Santino Manat, Akek and Michael Jiba Okalo, respectively. The changes to the government structure in Lakes State include the replacement of James Ernest Makiwi of Jur River with Santino Manat Akek, and the appointment of Abraham Kuol Leek as chairperson of the Relief and Rehabilitation Commission, RRC.
Riek Tang is a South Sudanese politician affiliated with the Sudan People's Liberation Movement in Opposition, SPLMIO, the main opposition party led by Dr. Riek Machar. Key facts about Riek Tang. Position: member of the Transitional National Legislative Assembly, TNLA, representing the SPLMIO under the 2018 Revitalized Peace Agreement. Political affiliation: SPLMIO, the party that split from the SPLM in 2013 in opposition to President Salva Kiir's leadership and has since played a key role in South Sudan's peace processes. Recent controversy: in August 2025, President Salva Kiir reportedly revoked Riek Tang's parliamentary seat, sparking political tension and accusations of undermining the peace agreement. His removal was seen by the SPLMIO as a violation of the power-sharing arrangement under the revitalized Agreement on the Resolution of the Conflict in the Republic of South Sudan, RRCSS. Voice for opposition. Riek Muok Tang has been vocal on matters of constitutional reform, justice, and federalism. He is considered one of the new generation leaders within the SPLMIO pushing for democratic reforms and greater representation of marginalized communities. Ethnic background. He hails from the newer ethnic group, a major community in South Sudan that has often found itself at the center of the country's conflict dynamics.
Profile: Honourable Riek Muok Tang. Title: Member of Parliament, revoked, SPLMIO. Affiliation: Sudan People's Liberation Movement in Opposition, SPLMIO. Ethnic group: Nuer. Region: likely from Upper Nile or Jonglei State. Active years: 2015, present. Background and rise in politics. Riek Muok Tang emerged as one of the vocal youth and political leaders within the SPLMIO, advocating for federalism, constitutional reform, and justice for war-affected communities. With deep roots in the Nuer heartland, Riek's political voice gained momentum following the signing of the 2018 Revitalized Peace Agreement, RARCSS, which gave the SPLMIO a stake in the transitional government. Known for his fearless speeches and principled stance, Riek became a symbol of the next generation of opposition politicians, those born from the legacy of civil war but focused on reform, inclusion, and federal democracy. Political timeline: 2015 to 2018. Active within the SPLMIO youth wing during the Civil War period. Advocated for ceasefire and humanitarian access in war-affected areas. 2018 to 2020. Following the RARCSS, Riek Muok Tang became part of the SPLMIO team pushing for political and constitutional reforms. Engaged in youth mobilization for peace in newer regions. 2021. Officially appointed as a Member of Parliament, MP, in the Transitional National Legislative Assembly under the SPLMIO quota. 2022 to 2024. Known for raising critical issues in Parliament, including the need for federalism and decentralization, accountability for war crimes, resource control by local communities. August 2025. President Salva Kiir revoked Riek Muok Tang's MP seat without clear explanation, sparking national and international concern. SPLMIO called the move a direct violation of the peace agreement. Opposition leaders and civil society groups viewed it as a political crackdown on dissenting voices within the peace government. Current status: Riek Muok Tang remains a strong political figure within the SPLMIO despite being stripped of his seat. He continues to speak out on social media and in public forums, warning against authoritarianism and calling for full implementation of the peace deal. Quotes from Riek Muok Tang, as reported: "We joined this peace not to be silenced, but to build a new nation from the ruins of war. Any attempt to suppress the opposition is a threat to the peace we all sacrificed for."
Mala medidian kadel achala de tedalam katadun kel kane anchina bun kaya kalaru he goran no dian kaling elafta ti chiglar tu paito no goalong dian manjabar kakwi kanama dian aling rajama rai ke kiuda misala ra moitang poinde janaram kel kakwar ayo chunga kel kakwi chunga ke lada kakwi ayo rei kuma kambar kam ke USA jan wata lada tan guam mi chunga ke raja kakwi ayo kamar kam tonga mi lajan chunga la ampi mate kamar kamana ka guam tot kini tot de chawa she kondolin kakwi den oiden taja woi kwala da manana teten akwan salpa ke me yadit dot kaman woi ke ja siga ti dial woi ke ja kakwi ko jana nor kena kwi ko chuma kakwi ayo ke raja kakwi nene kakwi kwara ayo ton kona cha yen duli yena anama poinde shi kwan salpa ke me yadit chara ya mache yanok cher kamane kona kabuat ju ban katiang kawala lar lera kano Tawun mishalara moitang taya kapion walada. Namo Jan ta dong to ke. Ko ba wut mi shalu kat mo tang ba ja wi gwat la de. Ya jan ta che to ba ja no mo. An wut mi shala mo tang ni tut de jan ran mel kama. Changa na mar kama du no ran South Sudan jan ta la na wut tang mo ka ja. Ka ki ko che wa che je. An chira mo tang ka bot che o chen kamar kama. An ka kol ka mi chen kamar kama ho mi kona no ni dian chen kamar kama. Chigiri udien kan gwar so. Te ka na tre dien di che gwar. Di che gwar ka piel to go long to de ka na do ka dawich. Ara mo tang ram kel ka nei ti che ka nei to. An ka kol ka mi cha ngi jen oi dem ram de na lok ka politik. An chai chu kwen an toma mi agan ma chara mo dem. Mi chuang ka ki ayo. Ke parai ka ki ayo. Re ron mar ka man tong mi. Ai ju kam nada mo no. Te ten alao den na kwar. Ayo. Mi chung ka ki ayo an tong mo mi te wang roi natin. La ga roi ja ka ki ayo. Chi kwan sal pi chay chu kap chong ka kor wat ne. No che bu mot ka wan yam. Re latan dan te ten la MP. An ka kor ka mi che wot. Ram mi che lap gwada da. Ngay ko ram to yu ko am tema. Ki ram chiro kwa ga da mi char ke che la chi la kan. Mình cho ra da kwa rai won tema. Stephen Parkwall. Stephen Parkwall te ga ne ga ti je gwar. Ane ga to goro jano ban. Ne ga da ma chab di an le chi gan ma char ko kwai. Goro ba ko wi ke ka. O bi ka gwada to bi ken ka kan. Aram mi che kwan sal ke ma ya di jano on tema. An dia go jano jan. Aram no kira ke ran mi chung ke ka Stephen Parkwall te ka mangai kona. Arai mo an ja rai la ro dan tema. En kwarne Stephen Parkwall. Gore jano ban ne ga da ma char dia te chung ke ka gan ma char. Gore jano ba ko len ken. Ba ne ga te novela jan. Biu kam bi kana ko lo bwane. Na mo jan labin te kana tama re ya ka Juba. Ya chaga mangai kono ne ka Minister of Health. Jan ta don ka ta ga ger ga jane. An chega cheban. Qui ayo. E chem chung ke ka Stephen Parkwall. An che kon men chi Stephen Parkwall abor. Arai jam. Chi kon jek. E jan radio wana ma. Malada jan o. Tiya kuma ko de kal te kwarene. Dr. F. Machar kana ne di alin chaga yen kel. De ko lui. Arai jam mo chi tok. Jan na wai kai ke. Malada Stephen Parkwall ke liu. Dua mu goro mo ke chuang. Ke gokula bugwen ke ja. Gwadan cha gan Machar cha jalu ni no. Kon. Chine nong no yan ke je. Da nai ko de jalu. Jalot ka me chia de ke ja rai jang no. Ki ne kuma sa Sudan ko de no kwarane. Dr. Machar te jalu. Jan charo ya mo che lat bang. Te ga te chaling. An kan te chaling ton no ko gorit ngai jano gan Machar ram bi jo je ram ba luin ka wa mi shek. An che goro bo biet bang ko yan no kwar ka che goro mo bo ta darun wa gan Machar wailu. Ko wa gan Machar luin kom dana te ten na kom gada Machar. Nikoloin gada Machar ni jano bu kwaran ta ga ya babat. Ko bu kwaran ta ga ya babat. A che goro bu misher kana on batwak. Adan lot ka mun ko jawle ja ka jare jam no. Ke ja kuma sa Sudan ko de goloin kwaren ne Dr. Machar. An nong wa ya Machar lat bang la de ja ko te ga mia ti jeling no ja no ba gan Machar ba de yigloin ka wan mi chek chek. Ko ba gan Machar ba yigloin ka wan mi chek chek. Gore ya no ya la dua bu kam dar ra kwan kwi chuon ka ja. Ko run cha bu mun bari ke bokula te ga dua mu boin ka ja no. Kon chung chine loi chong ku ki ko bine let ki pi pa daga dan. ko be Phar dan bawa niam lida. Inja lot ka man jawe jaw baja. Ka kuya mo. Te kon ka not bono Dr. Emma Char ke kwer ayo. Jan aram bi jaw jano violin ka wa mi shek. An char ka man ngai kon ano. Ka gwa ka kening na ke ni kon indam ro de chowa chi widang baro. An chika war gang bum bum lang chika na gor ka tit markama. Widang baro to. Wi pa kel ka malkam. An chika ro chika mat karai kele no. Joka kwan selpa kemi ya di no. Gona ya wo ka pedalo. Di Dr. Emma Char di lindiliena kali kanane te kon te bilien ga ke. Ara yamo ara mi ai warga mi cha jak muktap dong selpa kemi ya di teno ba mi ser kana mo. Belat ka prat nei kon kum marka mo no mi cha baik mi cha baik ka weidun. Ante to man la to long weidun. Kenyam be economy weidun be yar long. Ko berala nan chalal merkam ke dollar ba kain yala long. Tabulong ka mapagya wedun. Namo akela nyamtan. Maro de o be teganetid be la sanction ka kwar. Tan kon la kwar kun. Namo amaro de mula tuok. Mandio de ande tuok o. Kan kwar kun rai sanction tan kon overcome ka. But elai chicken bijali ideal. Te ten mano kubana o de cook o de kan wow ko wind ho ken. Ambaya ka chuang. A wana ku kop ku metela wait ka cook. Namo ba mbaya ka chuang. Ba wedun bo ba piano dere yo ba dere ka den ko albam. Kamija kan chi wedun che den ka yo ko albam. Namane we penako babat wedun ba jiagalam. Bine dial akan nego kwaran dito wanda kan jiwa dial. Bi chui ka bot ko biyo bi ko bat prewich. Ko mi kan cha den ko albang. An tala wang dang de yero malokan. Ka kuyo na. Te ta kan la tuak o mi si kwarun. Mi cha wait e charling. Ka wiyo yin monto ko ken. But trabu ga yik tuak ya. Katrono pain ken agan pawan tamare weka South Sudan. Andono mo kwarno salpu keme ya tid mo ya oling. Bagoro no ba malbun india kaya weka South Sudan. Kaloin daga gat ke dok kaya machar. No mo bejaja no ba mal beban bay wek ka South Sudan. An ka kuya machala da te da long. Man gone biate liangten eki MP ke kwarne rad moitang en ta gargwalada. Namo jana gone de enta liangten achala da te da long mi jiram paiban. Angoro de ro mat ke yen bonama ko di bonama dija gor ke dija subscribe. And continue bano nova bi ke arjam kono neka. Andi nyo ke yadu ke like. En bid ko di bid en di ka like. Na mo jan bi ko le nyo tano din tiga no. E pilar tan kono neka. Ka jan support mandi mun bana. Ka gwe du kana bi video bi mo ke like kana di no ka manuku ke di we share ka manuku to ko ken ka rwan di che ka rana. Arwan tila ne ke ya ka te riu den ka te chagor ka to ko wa ne ku ne la gor no tang di en ta liangten. Ko di en manuwa di en angach ka to nat. Apa ku ya machilada te de long liang ko. Gatamar.